bet you're wondering, why don't I just buy a window, right?
Yeah.
And you see me taping the window. You're thinking, oh, he's cheap, he doesn't want to buy a window. Okay. Just to let you know, I've been broken into about 8 times this past year. Okay. Thing has been broken twice by the burglars or robbers, whatever you want to call them. I've replaced the window twice. I'm not replacing it anymore. And what I was doing was taping up the last break-in. To see, folks, my headquarters has been broken into over 3 times in the last 3 weeks. They grab a knife, they cut it, they stick their hand in, and they get anything out of my back seat. And usually it's my equipment that I need to do a junk removal. For instance, a saw. So it's no use if I buy another window. They're gonna break it. I'd rather just tape it. It's less glass I have to pick up. Oh, and if you don't believe me, they broke into it here. Yeah, that's glass. Kind of sucks. Yeah, see, the thing is, I'm really fed up about people breaking into my property. So I've done something about it.
With the flex from the squad and smoking up a check. Man, I just wanna go flex. Hold on my teeth and on my neck.
So guys, I'm fed up with them breaking in. So I got on Amazon.com and I bought some deterrents. The first thing I bought was a dog, an electronic dog. See, this is T-Rex Plus. Yeah. And what T-Rex does, he's an electronic watchdog. You come in within 20 feet of my facility and he starts barking. Guys, I'm frustrated and I'm tired of them breaking into my property. They have broken into my property the last 3 weeks on a Friday night, and I'm gonna wait for him this Friday night. Watch. He's reliable, 24-hour protection. All you do is plug him in. All right. It says it used microwave x-rays or something that pumps them out when you get inside the, you know, the range of it. It goes off and he starts barking at you. You're supposed to get scared. But this is what I'm really waiting for. My second thing that I bought from Amazon, a GPS tracker. And what this is going to do, well, this is going to tell me exactly where they're at. Because guys, it's got a monthly subscription of $24.99 or $39.99. I'm getting the $39 package. The best part of this is that you tell this tracker where your home base is at, and if it moves within 10 feet or 100 feet, whatever feet you want to really put it, it goes off. So let's say I place it here and someone moves it from here and walks 10 feet away, it tells me on my smartphone. It sends me an indicator. Pretty cool, huh? So how are the thieves going to get this? I mean, no burglar's gonna walk in here and steal this, right? They don't have to. Because see, guys, I got some old stereo equipment that I'm gonna put in the back of my truck. I'm opening it. I'm gonna hide this into the old stereo equipment. And when it goes off, I'll know exact location where they went. That way I can tell the police. But I still have my dog. So let's go check out the dog and see if he really works, okay? So I'm talking about T-Rex, the barking dog, okay? That's pretty cool. So if I get behind him, he stops barking. I'm not moving at all, okay? So I'm not moving my feet, but watch. I'm gonna be really still. Watch this, guys. He goes off pretty good. Let me hide from him, okay? Hold on. All right, I'm outside the facility. My entrance is right here. And watch this. The closer I get, the more he barks. All right, that's pretty cool. $69.99, not bad. So that's T-Rex, the barking dog. I'm gonna head out of here right now. So I'll set up the GPS later on and I'll show you that inside the stereo equipment that I got. But for right now, that's gonna do it for me, guys. I'm done for the day. All right, guys. So if you're wondering what I'm doing tonight is, well, it's a special occasion. It is Friday night and I am at my property. It's about 9:30 at night, and every Friday night around between 1 and 3 a.m. in the morning, someone breaks into my property and they steal everything out of my white truck that's sitting right there. So I got something so they can steal this time. What I've done is devise a plan. So I got a great insignia soundboard. It's pretty cool looking. It looks like it probably costs like $100. It doesn't matter. They've been stealing anything out of my truck. So I'm gonna give them this, okay? And the second thing I'm gonna give them is a TV. It's a Dynex TV and it works. It's in great condition. And of course, I cleaned it up to make it even look better, right? So I'm giving them this too. So tonight when they come in, they're gonna be able to steal this, and they're gonna be able to steal the soundbar. This is the Spytex GPS. It will track wherever this bar is at, where that TV is. So all I gotta do is make it look realistic. When I put it in the back seat of my truck, they will break the side window like they've done the last 2 windows. 3 times they've cut the tape, the makeshift tape that I've got. So this is the Spytex GPS tracker. It's on my phone. It will tell me if this leaves within 50 feet of this property, or only 50 feet within my truck, it will start going off and I'll know. Anyway, there it is. And the first thing I'm gonna do is wrap up the gifts for them, but I do have to insert this thing into the sound bar somehow. I'm gonna put this inside the sound bar, and I'm thinking I'm gonna use the speaker. Now this stuff works, all of it works. I got my toolbox out here today. The sound bar and the Dynex TV, they both work. And what I'm gonna do is take a part of the sound bar off. Guys, I fixed it. It's ready to go. I'm gonna move my truck, put it in the back of my truck, and we're ready to set up the booby trap. Okay. All right, guys. I just finished setting up the booby trap. It's right there. So they've been cutting that window every week. There's the box inside. I don't know if you can see the box, but it's right in there. Okay, so that's the box inside. The door's locked on both sides. They'll break into there, right there, cut it, open the door. All right, and the GPS device is inside the soundboard, which they're gonna steal. No questions asked. So hopefully it works. GoPro, stop recording.